Hello everyone. Today I will introduce Convert LiTIN, LiModel to OBJ, OSGB functions in LiDAR360. LiTIN and LiModel are proprietary model data formats of LiDAR360, while OBJ and OSGB are common model data formats. When you want to process or display the data results from LiDAR360 in other software, you can use this function. You can see these functions in the ribbon toolbar under Model Conversion drop-down menu. Click it and you will see the options to convert LiModel to OBJ, LiModel to OSGB, LiTIN to OBJ, and LiTIN to OSGB. Next, we will start by clicking on LiTIN to OBJ as an example, which will open a pop-up window. In the pop-up window, you can select the LiTIN file you need to convert. You can add files, delete files, or clear all files by clicking the corresponding buttons. After selecting the files you wish to convert, set the output path for the new file. Once the settings are complete, click OK to finish the conversion. The result OBJ file will be generated in the same folder as LiTIN. The operation for the other three functions is the same. That's all for Convert LiTIN LiModel to OBJ OSGB functions. Thank you for watching.